Officially mo mua fabolbole ayo lupuche Ofisa Junior Tonu'u. Let's talk about Fa'alongo Tana Umaga. The significance of his calling now. He's now the defense coach for the nationwide, in fact, the well-known rugby team in the world, the All Blacks. Can you talk us through the importance of his role now?
I love him, Fisili Asiata. I really don't think we have really grasped the magnitude of this selection. This is the All Black coach being Dave Rennie, and now he's selected his assistants being Fa'alongo Tana Umaga is a huge achievement, not only for Tana himself, but for whole of Pacifica. I mean, you're talking about someone that's in the Moana team. We're talking about icons like Ari Savea, Julian Savea, people that have come and done big things. But now from that team, they've got a coach that has been given the honour of not only being a coach, but probably the toughest portfolio of defence. He's up for scrutiny. It's a tough job, but he is willing to take it on. Is a huge achievement for us as Pacifica people, coaches, and I'm just so proud of him because I know where he's come from as a young Wellington boy to where he is now is an amazing journey.
You know, when I look at Fa'alongo Tana Umaga, you know, from my own perspective, he seems like a person that's so quiet that it's nearly, in my own judgment, I will say, I don't think he has many friends. I don't think this guy will want to talk to anybody. You know, by the way, but it seems like he's a person that has so much influence and impacted other young players, not only in their careers, but with, to change and to switch. I mean, I'm trying to bring up the case of how I think he played a massive role in terms of the Sonny Bill Williams switch from league to union. And also now the Addis Havea, a huge switch from Wellington Hurricanes to the Moana Pacifica. Can you talk us through that, please?
I think it's a fair. You have to give credit to his parents. I think his upbringing is really. He's been modelled from his older brother, Makumanga, who used to look after us as the young ones in the team. And it really was nurturing and someone to look up to, and he would always take care of us. And Tana seems to be very similar to his brother. I have to acknowledge his wife, Rochelle. Those two are such a really good couple, and they're really nurturing, really good parents. And I think that he has brought that into his coaching life. It's almost as saying it's players don't care how much you know, so long as they know how much you care. And so he really brings that out in his coaching. He's got technical knowledge. He's grown in that area, but he has also got that nurturing personality that anybody will want to play for him. So when they come under him, he's don't get me wrong, he's a tough coach. He knows his stuff and he wants things done, but also he has a good balance of understanding the individual. And Pacifica boys or girls, he's wonderful in terms of that area. And so what would he take into the All Blacks? I think he won't change a thing. I think he'll just add value to the All Black brand.